In this video we are going to create an expert advisor that is able to use this oscillator here for an entry signal. It's the Williams percent range indicator, so let's see how we can do that with MQL5.
In this video, we are going to create an expert advisor that uses the Williams percent range WPR indicator to generate buy and sell signals. Let's see how we can do that. We start by opening Metaeditor, which we can do by clicking the little icon or pressing F4. First, we include the trade library to use its functions. We create an instance of the CTrade class called trade. In the OnTick function, we calculate the ask price by using the SymbolInfoDouble function with the symbol ask parameter and normalize it to the number of digits for the current symbol. Similarly, we calculate the bid price using the symbol bid parameter. We create a string variable named signal to store our buy or sell signal. We also create an array named WPRArray to hold several price values. We define the properties of the WPR indicator using the iWPR function with the current symbol, the current period, and a period of 14. We then sort the WPRArray from the current candle downwards using ArraySetAsSeries. We copy the WPR values into the WPRArray using the copy buffer function, specifying the WPR definition, the buffer index 0, the starting position 0, and the number of values 3. We get the value of the current candle by normalizing the first element of WPRArray to 2 decimal places and storing it in the WPR value variable. We check if the WPR value is between -80 and -100 to generate a buy signal, setting the signal variable to buy. If the WPR value is between -20 and 0, we generate a sell signal, setting the signal variable to sell. If the signal is sell and there are no open positions, we sell 10 microlots using the trade sell function. We pass 0.10 for the volume, null for the symbol, bid for the price, bid plus 300 points for the take profit, bid minus 250 points for the stop loss, and null for the comment. If the signal is buy and there are no open positions, we buy 10 microlots using the trade buy function. We pass 0.1 zen for the volume, null for the symbol, ask for the price, ask minus 300 points for the stop loss, ask plus 250 points for the take profit, and null for the comment. We output the current signal to the chart using the comment function. At the end, we press F7 to compile the code. If this was too fast for you, or if you don't understand what all the code is doing, you may want to check out the premium course on our website, or watch one of the basic videos first. If the compilation works, we go back to Metaeditor by pressing F4 or clicking on the icon. Back in Metaeditor, we press Ctrl and R to start the strategy tester. Pick the expert advisor that we have just created, enable the visual mode, and start a strategy test. We should see the expert advisor on the chart. If you are already a premium course member and have an idea for a video like this one, you can send us an email. We have learned how to create an expert advisor that uses the Williams percent range indicator to generate buy and sell signals with just a few lines of MQL code. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Okay, I see the expert advisor is running. I hope yours is running too. If this was too fast for you, or if you don't know what all the code is doing, maybe the premium course might be interesting for you. You can find it on our website. For now I say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.